let me start recording. Okay. So yeah. Hi everyone. Welcome to the Future of Tanzania teacher orientation. Um, Honestly, I think it's kind of my fault. I forgot to send the link and also sent it kind of late, so that's on me. But for now we'll just go over with the people that we do have. Also, I've been a bit sick recently, so I might be coughing a little bit, but so sorry about that. Um, okay. Um, yeah, welcome to the orientation meeting. Um, First thing we'll go over is the schedule. Um, the schedule for Future of Tanzania is going to go from 12/18 to 12/21, January 2nd to January 4th, January 8th to 11th, 15th to 18th, and 22nd to 25th. Except the 22nd to 25th area is um there's a chance that won't happen due to I think it conflicts with our winter coding camp. Um and that's also the reason why we don't have it like right next week as well. Or sorry, not next week. It is happening next week. But yeah. Um yeah, 9:30 to 11:30 on each of these days. So yeah, that includes like 12/18, 12/19, 12/20, 12/21, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, and so on. Um yeah, just know that the first four like ranges of dates are for sure to happen. The last set are not, like they're tentative. They might be there, they might not. And we'll figure that out the closer we get to those dates. So some of the rules that we're going to that you know we need to talk about. First thing you need to do, you should come early to like to the meetings. So I know I said like before, the meetings are from 9:30 to 11:30 PST. But you should actually be coming a little early, probably about like 10 minutes early. So come at like 9:20 p.m. PST. Um, don't friend students on Discord. Uh, if any of the students from Future of Tanzania, like try to friend request you, don't accept them. Just either like reject the friend request or just ignore them. Um, and yeah. Also just don't like friend request them in the first place either. Yeah. Before each class, basically, you should review the material that we're going to go over and be prepared to teach. Um, because, yeah. Uh, and when you're actually teaching, you should teach slowly, provide a lot of examples, um, and teach according to the curriculum. Uh, yeah, just try not to like teach stuff that's like not um related to the curriculum, because the curriculum that we have is what we've been using, and like it's a kind of like a surefire formula, if that makes sense. Absence rules, try not to be absent. We are going to have like some sort of like thing later where we like pick days that we're able to teach and stuff. But if you have like a sudden absence or something, that's fine. It's not preferable, but it's fine. Um, in the case that like you have to be absent, like if like something pops up, make sure to like talk to the dean. I'll explain what that is later. And just tell them about it so you can find a replacement um before you before the actual class. When you're lecturing, try to use Chrome, mostly because, I mean, for the next bullet point, install ad block. Whenever we go on like websites, compilers, basically many websites, they have a bunch of ads, which can be detrimental to learning. And so what we do is we try to install ad block. where so that we can take away those ads so it's not distracting when you're teaching the material. That's also why we use Chrome because it's a lot easier to install AdBlock because it's just a Chrome extension. I'm pretty sure, at least. Um, yeah. If you've joined the Discord server for Future of Tanzania already, that's great. But um, yeah, if you've been there, you'll notice that there's a behind the scenes channel. This is basically where we just like talk about like during the classes. This is where we talk about like stuff and out of classrooms too. Just how where we talk about general Tanzania things that are going on. Um, but make sure that this channel is hidden and muted when you're teaching. Because I mean you're gonna be sharing your screen while you're teaching. So if Discord pops up, just try and like hide the channel, um, and mute it so that you don't get any like notifications from it. Because we've had instances where like you're trying to teach and we just have a bunch of Discord notifications going on because they haven't like muted the channel. We're just trying to talk. Um, it can get annoying sometimes. Yeah, okay. So I mentioned the dean earlier, the person that you have to go talk to once like when you're absent. Um, the dean's role is basically to just like start the meeting, make sure everything's going smoothly, um, and basically handle all of that like administrative stuff. The lead teacher, the lead teacher is the person who's actually teaching. So like they're sharing their screen, they're talking about the content, they're using compilers, they're solving problems, all of this stuff. Um, and TAs are uh like the people that help like with questions. Also a thing that we do during Tanzania is we have like live notes where like as the person is teaching, we like screenshot the screen share and like post them in a separate channel so that if like one of the Tanzania students didn't get something, they can like always check it to make sure that they know what they're doing. So yeah, the dean gets 2 hours, TA gets 2 hours, the lead teacher gets 3 hours because there's the 2 hours from the meeting and it's also 1 hour from like preparing because you need to review the material and be ready to teach. So that probably takes about 1 hour. Yeah, so a lot of what we're going to do, or at least that's how it has been, um, and likely going to do next time, or this time, I mean, is coding bat, where after you've like explained something, or after we've explained the topic, um, we're likely going to go over coding bat in like the second half of class because it's 2 hours. On the second half of class, we're mostly going to be going over a bunch of coding bat problems. If you don't know what coding bat is, I could actually send a link in the chat real quick. Um, it's basically just a place um with a bunch of problems for Python and Java, in our case Python. Um, Also, if you haven't already, it would probably be nice to make an account for that if you haven't already. Because we don't want to like spend time trying to figure that out on the actual day. So yeah, once you it for every coding bat problem, what you should do, you should explain the problem thoroughly. So like make sure that the students understand the problem and make sure that they like know what to do for it, or kind of. And when you're actually showing the answer, you want to show it step by step. So like don't go too fast, try to slow down a bit. And don't like skip over quote unquote obvious things because like that's because I mean people are still beginners. The students are still beginners. They're talented students, but they're still beginners. So they might not know stuff that you might consider obvious. Um, so just trying to skip over like anything. And when you're actually like answering the problem, try not to use like shortcuts. Try to like stick to the given solution because again, these students are beginners. So if you do like a really quick shortcut, they might not fully understand how you did it, or like it might not be within the scope of the thing that we're trying to teach at that time. Hope that makes sense. Yeah, I mean, this is pretty quick. Final notes. English isn't the students' first language. They're Tanzanian, so they're going to be speak or they usually speak in Swahili, I think it was. So try to speak like clearly, try to speak slowly because that makes it easier for them to understand like what you're saying. And also ask if they understand the topic or not, like a lot, because um, just to make sure that we're all on the same page once we're once we're teaching or solving a problem or doing a project, we just want to make sure that everyone's on the same page so that they understand everything. They also type slower than us, so for example, when we're doing the coding bat problems, you may like give an answer, and after you give the answer you might want to like wait a few seconds, wait about like a minute or so, just to wait for them to type in their answer because they type slower than us. So what takes you like maybe like a minute to write, they might take like two or three. um Honestly, that's really it. um this is a kind of short meeting. It's also kind of uh I don't know, it's kind of scuffed because I forgot to send the Zoom link. But this is recorded. They'll probably put it up somewhere so that other people can see it. Um, but yeah, that's basically it. Does anybody have any like questions about anything? Also, I'd recommend like taking a picture of the schedule. Um, I added you all to the Notion. A lot of this information is on the Notion. So just saying that you could, if you forget some of this stuff, you could probably go look over there and it'll tell you something about that.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Uh, I don't, I don't know, but for some reason, um, the Notion link doesn't work for me.
Oh,
It just
okay,
gives me like,
that's a problem.
this content does not exist.
Um, well, let me try something for that. Okay, let me try sending the link again. If you see if you guys can do that. Um, you guys again that link. Oh, hold on. Oh, that's probably why. Yeah, if you guys just went to the
Yeah, I can see
thing,
the
try
Notion.
restarting it. Try reloading your page because I think I fixed it now.
Yep, I can see the Notion.
Okay, good, good. Any other questions about anything?
Oh, I actually have another question.
Yeah, what's up?
Um, I see that there's like um days where people like teach.
Are you talking about like season three, season two, season one?
Yeah, is this job lecture season 4, season 1?
Yeah. So I mean that's what I was talking about with like dean, like lead teacher, TA stuff. Um, the season three, season two, season one, are all from like past future Tanzania things. The one that we're currently in season four.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and I think there was someone else that was supposed to be here to like lead the thing for like picking what job you want at on which days. Um,
Yeah.
but I don't think they're here yet. Maybe they'll do it later. I'm not entirely sure. Um, but so for now we won't do it. I'll probably ask about that later. But um, yeah.
Okay.
Um,
Um, so we can't really like sign up by ourselves right now.
uh, okay. Uh, quick question. Are you able to like if you click a cell like lead lecturer somewhere, are you able to like put names in?
Let me try. Um, I'm not sure how to do this. Do I just double click the box?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it doesn't really work.
Um, okay. Um, it's not really important right now. Again, I'll probably have to ask about like what to do about the sign up stuff and stuff like that.
Mhm.
Um, so I could probably get back to you on stuff for that.
All right. Thank you.
Um, yeah. Any other questions? Oh yeah, the other guy was supposed to go over the curriculum as well if you're about to ask about that. No, if there's no more questions, then I think you guys are all free to leave. Yeah. Good luck
You.
doing Future Tanzania,
Thank
especially if
you.
it's your first time. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep. Bye.
Fantastic. So um will they be assigned to us in the schedule, lecture season or
Sorry, your mic's
yes.
like really quiet. Can you like type it in chat or something?
Yes.
Sorry.
So,
Oh,
oh, sorry, can you hear me better?
yeah, yeah, I can hear you better.
Okay. So will the lecture season like schedule be filled soon?
Um, are you talking about like the rules stuff, like the lead lecture, sub lecture, and Q&A stuff? Or like
Like you know how like they're like a sheet and then it has like all the days, um, including like it says Dean opening Ariel AO.
yeah, okay. Hariel's the person that's like on the other or like that's in Tanzania. They're like kind of like they're leading in the Tanzania side. Um they I don't not sure if they're actually going to be the dean for the first day, but uh I mean again that's another thing that I have to ask about. He could actually be the dean, he might not actually be the dean. We'll have to see about that. Oh, is that your question
Okay.
or okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yep. Bye. Um do you have a question or okay. I'll just end the meeting then. Let me stop share.